Introducing the SYTLB Series LED Light Bar. The SYTLB provides powerful LED lighting in a discreet and durable package. This 12 to 36 volt light bar is 1.5 inches high and 0.75 inches deep and comes in a variety of lengths and styles to fit your needs. Style options include flush mount, straight, and curved light bars. The SYTLB series features fully potted 5-watt LEDs and has a 50,000 work-hour life expectancy. For more information on the SYTLB series of lights, go to www.superiorsignals.com.